Hello, we are part of Suzano, the world's largest pulp manufacturer, one of the largest paper producers in Latin America, and the Brazilian market leader in the toilet paper segment. We are part of the legal operations team. This project was led by Vanessa Zaccaria, manager of the area, and Angela Tolosa, coordinator of the governance and projects area, and responsible for implementing this new contract system. Every day, we establish relationships and interactions with different people. We make agreements and spontaneously declare our will. Contracts are therefore established on a daily basis and generate legal consequences. Suzano is no different. Every month, more than 500 contracts are generated for a wide variety of purposes. With this large number of contracts, we need to be agile in order to quickly execute the contract and thus generate a positive impact on the business. The old contracts system no longer kept up with the speed with which business is done at Suzano. From an NPS survey together with recurring feedback, it became clear that users, our internal customers such as procurement, commercial, forestry, were not satisfied with some points of the old system such as user experience, performance slowness, and navigation in the system. With this in mind, a journey began with the entire legal ops team, legal contracts, and all the stakeholders, procurement, commercial, forestry, risk, and IT, to think together about how to revolutionize the way of hiring at Suzano. After much discussion and co-creation, we chose DocuSign as the platform, listed the project's objectives, and carried out several empathy interviews with the users of the old system to understand what needed to be changed. After this phase, we mapped all the company's contracts to understand which ones we would prioritize in order to achieve the best results. At this point, we began mapping the bank of clauses in these contracts. At the end of 2022, legal operations gathered all the stakeholders to embark on the project. Finally, in 2023, the development of automatic minutes and automatic flows was implemented, and on October 9th, we had the go-live of the system for the whole of Suzano. With the new system, we were able to create integrations between other systems used by Suzano to cross-reference with our supplier and customer base. As a result, we have automated the filling in of data in the draft contracts. This way, we can minimize errors and speed up the request for a contract, since the data is no longer filled in manually. This has also given us greater security, as suppliers or clients who were blocked in our database are prevented from proceeding with the contract in the new system. In addition, legal created a bank of contractual clauses together with the other areas of the business. This construction is a large decision tree which, according to the answers given by the contract applicant to the questions, automatically includes or excludes contractual clauses from the draft contract. In other words, with this bank of clauses previously approved by legal, contracts are generated automatically without the need for analysis by the legal team. We have also managed to innovate some contractual drafts using visual law. We have included automatically generated drafts in the new contract system with a more visual and simple format to help our external clients when signing one of the types of contracts. The simplicity of the text and visualization makes it easier for the parties to understand the contracts. Another gain from the project was at the stage of sending envelopes for signature, as we optimized the filling in of signatory data automatically. This new era provides autonomy to the contract requester, speed to the contracting process, and security for the company. Check out the new era.
Era. Substantivo feminino. Época. Tempo. Zeitgeist. Palavra alemã que define o espírito do tempo. Hoje a transformação digital está em todos os lugares. Tempo e contexto. Ação e experiência. Presente e futuro. Essa é a nova era, onde conectamos velocidade e governança, eficiência e gestão da informação, autonomia e redução de riscos. 4 times trabalhando de forma integrada em um projeto que muda a sua vida. Pesquisas, redesenhos, testes, validações. Construímos um banco de cláusulas e minutas junto a um sistema novo e intuitivo que transforma a complexidade em simplicidade. Tudo isso para você. Na nova era, você tem autonomia para a elaboração de contratos, passando de 2 dias de elaboração de uma minuta para processos automáticos, tudo em tempo real. Fomos de 30 para 5 minutos na solicitação de um contrato. É automação de processos com segurança. Imagine um mundo onde a tecnologia trabalha a seu favor. Tudo em um único lugar, nas suas mãos. Entendemos que o futuro não é um lugar para onde iremos. Ele é o lugar que criamos para melhorar a sua experiência, para construir a Suzano que simplifica. Bem-vindos à nova era.
The impact of this change was immediate, and we present to you the results of the first 4 months. Currently, 46% of the company's purchasing contracts are generated automatically, without any intervention from legal, and this has greatly contributed to the speed with which we close our deals, as previously our contract lead time was 24 days, and today it is 6.8 days. In addition, because of the automations created, the stage of sending a contract for signature, which used to take 20 minutes to complete, is now done in 10 minutes, optimizing our operation. As you can see, there were a lot of new features in a short space of time, and we stayed very close to our stakeholders to support them and also receive all their feedback. In 4 months, we carried out 18 training sessions for all Suzano users and managed to train more. We also received a lot of positive feedback. The new era is already a reality and has transformed the Suzano way of hiring. We remain determined to bring more autonomy, speed, automation, and governance every day.